Okay, so here I have the Apple Watch Nike Plus Series 4 Nike Plus edition. It's the space gray aluminum case, 44mm with the sports band. Yep. So this is the box, and I also have the iPhone XS Max. It's in the golden finish, and it's 256 gig. So today I'm unboxing both. So I'm gonna unbox this first. Put this one aside. Ooh, the classic Apple box, designed by Apple in California. And here's the phone. So here you have all the paperwork and classic Apple stickers. I'll put it on the side, and the phone. Whoa. Wow, this is gorgeous. Oh my god. I like how the display is like so damn big. I mean, I can reach both hands. I have pretty big hands, so it's not really a problem for me. But people with small hands, this screen size, which is 6.5 inch, will definitely be big, so you might need reachability to reach the top. Yeah, look at the stainless steel with the gold, so shiny. And you can see the antenna band on the top here and the bottom. And yeah, so that's the phone. And we have the Apple accessories. We have the USB to Lightning cable, 1 meters, and the Lightning headphone, the Lightning earpods. But this time they didn't include the headphone jack to Lightning dongle, the adapter. So yeah, Apple is pushing the industry for more to go wireless, which is pretty good. I mean, like now slowly there are like more companies pushing like removing a headphone jack to push the industry forward to become wireless. And here we have this 5-watt slow charging brick, which is pretty disappointing because this phone isn't cheap. Yeah, this is the XS Max with the 256 gig, which costs around 2,000 in Singapore, which is freaking ridiculous. And it doesn't come with a fast charger. This is just 5-watt. I mean, you can see the competition, it's already like shipping 10-watt, 12-watt, 18-watt, you know, classic Apple. I'm pretty disappointed that they didn't include it this year. Okay, so I'll set the phone aside. Okay, I'll just put it on the table, I don't want it to fall. Okay, I'll put this box aside. And here, I'll unbox the Apple Watch. Yeah, so here's a pull tab for the pull. The one thing I like about Apple products is they will not acquire you to use a knife to cut their boxes open. So that's like pretty convenient. See, easily off. And here's the box. You can see this is engraved into it. Apple Watch Nike Plus. For normal Apple Watches, it's in a white finish, but this is black, so it looks pretty cool. I mean, I've already watched unboxing videos, so I know what's the content of the box. No big surprise. So here's 2 pull tabs. Okay, let me pull it open. I'm being so gentle because I really don't want to destroy this box. And voila. Wow. Oh god, oh my god. Can I move this slightly lower? Okay. So yeah, this is the box. It's a wrap. You can see this is pretty fancy. I really like this. Okay, so I'll set this aside. This is to wrap 2 boxes together. One is the watch box itself, and the watch band itself. The Watch Nike Plus, Nike Sports Band, which I really like. Some people doesn't really like this whole design, but I kind of like it. well. So yeah, I have one Nike Plus watch band, which is the black and the Volt. But yeah, it's currently not with me. I'm rocking the product red one. So yeah, by the way, this is the Series 1. No, not Series 1. I mean the Generation 1 Apple Watch. So it is the OG. It's pretty laggy, but it's still measurable. Yeah, I mean, typically Apple products last pretty long. So yeah, and you can see it's engraved too. It's the 3D effect. And yeah, it's trying to show off the full screen, edge-to-edge screen on the Series 4. So without further ado, let me just open this box up. And here is the watch. Designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. And here is the watch. Okay, let me take out this. Okay, here is just some paperwork. No Apple stickers for Apple Watch. That's pretty normal. The paperwork aside, here's the portable foldable charging brick, 5 watt, pretty standard. And here's the 1 meter charging cord. And here it is, the watch. Let me take it out. It's in this microfiber pouch. It feels very comfy. And oh god, you can see this, that red ring. Let me see if the camera can focus. Yep, the red ring, because it's an LTE model. Right, it's 44mm. Okay, let me take it out. Oh, wow. Look at it. So beautiful. Oh wow. And yep, here's the ceramic back. And here's the sensor. You can see it's completely redesigned, and you can see the writings on it. It says Apple Watch Series 4 Nike Plus logo, 44mm aluminum and ceramic case, Ion X glass. What the hell was that? Oh, okay, my father. Ion X glass, GPS, LTE, water resistance 50 meters, and we are back to Apple Watch. So yeah, pretty standard. This is my first LTE watch, because this one is the OG Apple Watch, so it doesn't have the LTE one until the Series 3. So okay, let me focus. Okay, and I'll unbox this Apple Watch band. How is this box? Okay, it's here. I don't know how to pronounce this, but I'll try. And for, okay, never mind. I give up. I don't want to sound stupid. Okay, so here it is. It's the pretty standard Apple Watch band box. Yeah, nothing has been changed. It says Apple and some writings. So here's the watch band. Yeah. It teach you how to like put it on your watch, and here it is. Wow. Okay, so you take it out from here. Oh wait, here. This is Nike Plus. Let me focus. Apple Watch Nike Plus. I really like this floral plastic material, because it feels so comfortable, and I have really skinny wrist, so I'm gonna use the smaller one, the small medium, and here's the medium large for larger wrist. But I'm skinny, so I'm gonna use this. Yep. Okay, so I can put this all aside. Okay, and it's time to set up my watch.